Auth0 is a user authentication and authorization platform that serves as a front door to your application before someone can start using your application securely. They need to prove their identity. The most common method in the most of the application is username password based authentication. So as a developer, it's require you to create a user interface, front end, back end, database. So what you will be creating a front end, a login interface, a back end, and a database to store the credentials. Okay, so for future use, your front end interface needs to look good. If you are building an application for future, while your backend code needs to be secure and reliable, Auth0 is a universal solution that handles all these kind of concerns for you. It provides a polished login experience that you can drop into your web, mobile, or electron or desktop kind of application, while also providing the infrastructure to store the data securely, providing all the different security standards. So think of it like a universal translator that your site is in between your front end, back end, and other third-party tools to manage the identity of user. But modern application tends to require user authentication that is far more complex than just by entering the username and password. User may want to log in with the social provider, user may want to log in with the Google Workspace, user may want to do the SSO. So you may require a multi-factor authentication to send a text message, to log in an application. So there are different kind of authentication you need to enable for the users, even the biometric. So what do you want to take things even further to validate, like biometric, fingerprint scan? That kind of authentication is also required in today's world. Auth0 support all these authentication methods out of the box and allow you to customize the flow. Like when you click on a button after sign up, each user is assigned a unique ID. The record is managed in the dashboard, and you can also look at the user history, user activity, and the user JSON which the Auth0 is storing. You can also define the custom authorization logic in the form of roles and permission. You can customize the login flow. You can populate more information in Auth0 about the user, like roles and permissions, and you can synchronize that logic into your APIs. And then you can also do the authorization, role-based authorization into the platform. So this is just like a 2-minute summary of Auth0. Now what we are going to do is we are going to integrate Auth0 with our Next.js application, and we will explore all these features: the universal login, Auth0 organizations, supporting different type of authentication, like logging with the Google, logging with the social provider, logging with SSO, just by integrating Auth0 with your application with a minimal code. So Auth0 is just opening a whole new world for our application for authentication and authorization.